All right, so the first thing to do is we're just going to let x equal some vector in x4. So I'm going to write x equals x1, x2, x3, x4, and let. All right, so now we're just going to substitute what x equals into this equation. 4 minus 3, 1, 7, plus, I'm just going to distribute this 2 to each of these right now, so plus 2x1, 2x2, 2x3, 2x4, and this equals 5, 9, negative 6, 8. All right, so now the way vector addition is done is component by component. So what that means is I'm going to add the 4 to the 2x1, and that's going to equal 5. And I'm going to do that for each component. So the first one is 4 plus 2x1 equals 5. Negative 3 plus 2x2 equals 9. 1 plus 2x3 equals minus 6. And 7 plus 2x4 equals 8. So for equation 1, I'm just going to subtract 4 and then divide by 2. So we get 2x1 equals 5 minus 4 is 1, and that implies that x1 equals 1/2. Equation 2, I'm going to add 3, so I get 2x2 equals 12, or x2 equals 6. For equation 3, I'm going to subtract 7, so I get minus 7, so I get x3 equals minus 7/2. And lastly, I'm going to subtract 7, so 1, I get the same as x1, so I get x4 equals 1/2. And that is it. So we can rewrite this vector as 1/2, 6, minus 7/2, and 1/2. And that is the answer.